Hi everyone, Transport Topics here to help you answer an outstanding trucking maintenance question. What are the most common causes of unplanned downtime? Can preventative maintenance help? The most common causes of unplanned downtime in the trucking and logistics industry include mechanical failures, such as engine malfunctions, tire blowouts, and transmission issues. Other factors include driver error, poor road conditions, accidents, and unexpected weather events. Electronic and sensor failures, like faulty GPS systems or malfunctioning diagnostic tools, also contribute to downtime. Additionally, delays in scheduling maintenance or lack of proper vehicle inspections can lead to unforeseen breakdowns. Preventive maintenance can significantly help in reducing unplanned downtime. By adhering to regular maintenance schedules, companies can address potential issues before they escalate into costly breakdowns. Routine inspections, oil changes, tire rotations, and brake checks ensure that vehicles remain in optimal working condition. Predictive maintenance, which uses data analytics to forecast issues based on vehicle performance, also can identify problems early, allowing for timely repairs and minimizing the likelihood of unexpected downtime. Don't forget to subscribe for more insight into the trucking industry.